And here in the heart of San Francisco, next to the classic old Hotel Senator, is Cohen Alley. Well, today I find myself in one of the strangest national forests you will ever find anywhere. This is the Tenderloin National Forest in the heart of the Tenderloin neighborhood of San Francisco, California.
This alley before the forest was inches deep with whiskey bottles, beer bottles, needles, bags, glass pipes, things like that. I've heard it was several inches deep, and look what the people did.
And this is a national forest in what used to be an alley in the Tenderloin district. They've planted all kinds of beautiful trees through here. This is a Bodhi tree, the same tree that Buddha sat under. And over here we have a redwood, not quite towering yet, but we'll get there in time. And this is a very unusual species. This is a silk floss tree, native to Southern California and northern Mexico, but definitely growing well here. This is a really neat tree because of all the cactus thorns it grows on its trunk. And as we go down past a lot of art and this beautiful flowering tree here, murals, as well as a place to create your own art. And down here is a nice scarlet abulian tree. You can see flowering in late December. Gotta love California. Lots of beautiful art through here, and lots of beautiful trees. Here's some more flowering. And coming down to the end of the alley.
It's my understanding the bottles you see in the walls, this one and the other one, were here in this alley before they did this. This was all littered with bottles, crack pipes, needles, bags, all of those sorts of things, inches deep. Bottles in the wall are a testament to that. This is what the Tenderloin people did with that. They made us a forest.
Definitely lots of signs of what the neighborhood has been, and in many cases still is, but also an amazing and beautiful sign of what the neighborhood wants to be and could be in the future. One thing they've done here, besides all the art, is managed to figure a way to preserve and save all the old buildings from being torn down for redevelopment, so that the neighborhood will always have a lot of character, no matter what it becomes. And boy, this neighborhood has character. Power is in the face of the people. And the Guardians. Up and up and up and up they go. Did I mention that they have a real, growing, endangered California sequoia growing here in Cohen Alley? It's illegal to cut these down or remove them. So the future of this alley turned park is absolutely certain and insured by this rare tree that they managed to get to grow and thrive here in the heart of the Tenderloin district. Really amazing.
Nelson Mandela, Brother Malcolm. This is utterly magnificent what people can do.
And lest you think that this is just all about flora, I found some native fauna. The Italian rock dove, also known as the common pigeon. They're at home in this alley turned forest as much as the rest of us. I mean, if I had the land for it, this is absolutely the kind of garden that I would create for myself. No joke. Trees and plants and things that flower all year long, and just art to look at, benches. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. They've done such an amazing job with this. I just can't express how beautiful, really beautiful it is. And we leave underneath the majestic balms of a Canary Island date palm. Absolutely beautiful. As you step back across into the reality that is the Tenderloin.